Welcome, scientists, to this edition of Physics. In this video, we are going to solve problem 63 from chapter 3. With that, let's get started. You can see that we have three vectors given, d1, d2, d3 respectively, and they've asked us to perform several mathematical operations. In the first one, they want us to take d1 and dot that into the resultant of adding d2 and d3. When we add vectors, we simply add their individual components together. And now when we want to dot that in there, we're going to multiply each individual component by the respective component of the other vector. So when I did that, I got a total of 3 meters squared. In part B, they're asking us to take D1 and dot that into the resultant of D2 cross D3. So first we need to perform the cross product on 2 and 3. Remember, when we're looking at the cross product, we want to cover up the column of interest. So I'm ignoring the I hat column. I then want to take the remaining, multiply down, and subtract. So I get negative 10 I hat minus whatever I'm going to get in the j hat direction. Remember, I cover up the column that I'm looking for, and then I multiply. So I'm subtracting a negative 6 j hat, so I'm going to end up with a positive 6 j hat. And when I dot those in, again, I'm multiplying the components, I got 52 square meters. C is asking us to take D1 cross the result of 2 and 3, which we already solved for in part A. So I'm not going to resolve for that. I'm just going to plug it in. And now when I solve out this determinant, so there you have it. We saw how we can add vectors together, how we can use the dot product for vectors, and how we can use the cross product for vectors. That's all for this episode. We'll see you in the next one.